Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing some carrots in 10 litre plant pots, and three varieties I've chosen are early Nantes, Chantenay Red and Dragon, and these ones are a purple variety and these two are an early harvest carrot. So I'm going to be using 10 litre pots and some finely sieved compost, and I'm going to be mixing that with some sieved soil and some sand. So already got some sand mixed in with it. This is from the big carrot bed outside. So just give that a good mix. Right, so that's that all mixed together. And I'll fill the bottom third with this. Up to there. So that's a couple of inches in the bottom. And then I'm going to be adding some fish blood and bone. And also going to be adding some chicken manure pellets. Just give that a good mix. And top first of the pot up. So I'll get the other two pots filled up and get back to you after that. Right, so that's them 3 tubs filled up, and I'm putting the feed in the bottom because that's where the main taproot of the carrot goes. So that's where it's going to be picking up all the nutrients from. So it's pointless having them all at the top. So just flattened that off nicely, and I'm going to use a marker pen for this because doing a hole with that, it's a bit pointy and a bit too deep for the carrot seeds. So if I just use a marker, it's a bit of a better hole. So I'm going to follow the face of the clock. Just do 1, 2, 3, 2 in between them. And do one in the middle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 carats in each tub. And we'll start with these ones. So it says to sow April, May, June, July, harvest June, July, August, September, October, November. These are going to be getting kept in the polytunnel for a couple of weeks, so and I'm going to try and put 3 seeds in each hole. But doesn't really matter if there's a couple more in there because they can be thinned out at a later stage. And just give them a quick soaking. Just so you know, the seeds have had contact with the water. And just add a little bit of vermiculite to fill each hole. And give the whole thing a good soaking. garden label. These can go in the polytunnel for a couple of weeks. And then they can go outside. Like I said, these are just for an early crop. I will be growing other varieties in the raised beds. So I'll get these other two done, exactly the same method, and get back to you. Right guys, so that's them done. That's 3 buckets of carrots, or pots of carrots. They can go out in the polytunnel, and just keep checking to make sure that the top stays nice and moist. And once we have some germination, just give them a soaking in from the bottom, and that'll be it then. That's probably all the water they'll get. So I'll keep you updated on how we get on with these. You can see, got some of the tomato plants sitting in some water here. giant onions doing really well now, and peppers about ready to be potted on again. And some more tomatoes and a couple of aubergines in there. Right guys, so that's about it for this one today. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below if you're growing any carrots this year and what varieties you think are best for you. So thanks for watching, bye for now.